Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss the on-ground reality about the actual salary hike in percentage in TCS. We are going to discuss it using all the comments that we have got on our YouTube video. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end to understand what exactly is the ground reality when it comes to different bands like A, B, C, D, and what is the percentage salary hike that the people have got and why there is a difference between two different A bands who are getting different salary hikes. We will explain everything in our today's video. So please watch this till the very end. So guys, this is the situation at TCS. After the salary hike and the compensation letters release, this is the amount of average salary hike that people are getting at TCS. The number one is after having 3 years of experience, that means around C1 grade. The A band that candidate got, and it was around 7.5% of salary hike. Okay. So the other person is saying that this is ridiculous. If a person has got A band, why can't they give same percent of hike to both? Because they belong to different business units. Okay, so if you look at BFSI domain, they have lot of higher budgets. If you look at retail sector or automotive domain projects, they have lower kind of budgets, right? So that is the reason there is a different kind of value of the project, right? And the percentage margin that they are getting from these kind of domains, it is different. So that is the reason they might tend to give different salary hikes for different bands, right? Even if they are belonging to different projects, right? So what about Wings compensation letter? Is that released yet? No, a lot of people have already got it who basically kind of had all the checklist done. That what is the checklist? That you are coming to office every like all 5 days every week, right? You don't have any uncompleted certifications or courses, okay, in the TCS portal. The third thing is that you actually are staying in the office for 4 hours, 10 hours, or 9 hours. Okay, that are some of the prerequisites that you should complete before you get the new Wings compensation letter. Okay, we will soon make a video about it whenever the Wings compensation letters for digital or for innovator candidates is out. What about A plus band? Okay, how much? Okay, so some projects have this kind of scenario wherein they have A plus bands kind of thing, wherein the top of the top performers will be getting that band, and that is roughly one or two members from the team of like 10 members, 15 members, or even 20 members, right? I got 2% salary hikes, completed 2 years at TCS, started looking for a job now. Yes, that is correct, because the inflation rate here in India is around 6.5 to 7%, right? And on top of that, that is the one that is given by the government. The actual can be around 8 or 7, something like that, right? So if you're getting 2% salary hike, that is actually a decrement, right? So that is the reason it is very essential for you to upgrade your skills and look for different jobs, right? What about C3 grade? Okay, C3B grade. Any idea about how we can get hike on this year? Okay, so I'll create a video on that about the higher grades, because if you look at most of the low level grades, or I would say junior grades or medium level grades, they have only got the salary hike. The senior level, okay, which are vice presidents or consultants, associate consultant, these people might have not got the compensation letters yet, right? What is this fluidity list in TCS now? Okay, so yes, that is true. A lot of people are asking us in the comment section what exactly is the fluidity list. We will go through that as well over here. So I got A band and 10% salary hike again. So again, some people are getting 7.5% salary hike for A band. Some people are getting 10%. Okay. So the other person is saying that I got 4.4 hike. Okay. And with B band. And for A band, it was 6.99. Okay. So next year, we will get around 50% hike from TCS. And I cannot read other things, right? So no arrear paid for the last 5 months, right? Good salary hike will bring employees happiness. Low salary hike will spoil employees for performance and business. And this is a true thing, right? So if you want to motivate your employees to more work more efficiently, right, then they should kind of get some kind of reward, right? Not even 2%, like at least give it as per the inflation, right? So they can match that, right? So that is one of the things, right? So don't inflate the hike percentage with respect to band received. It creates unwanted curiosity and confusion among viewers. Okay, fine. I got 7.8%, 7.558% hike, more than 3 years of experience I have in TCS. So it depends upon your time you spent in the seniority. It will be okay. So yeah, that can be also a possibility. Okay, promotion update of C2. So that also we will share about the IT analyst. You get around 1 lakh rupees of increment or the new compensation after you go to C1. Okay, and after you go to C2. Sorry, if you go from C1 to C2, right? So C is 1% around. A band got 6.9 to 9.9%. Okay, so that is the case. Again, some people are saying that A band with 9%, C2 grade with A band 11%. Okay, my friend got 10% hike with A band, and I got 5% with B band. So these are the things that are happening, right? So here some of the candidates have mentioned that A bandit is 4.5 to 8%, B bandit is 3 to 5.5, and for C bandit is 1 to 2.5, right? So it varies basically, right? At least you posted some good news. Okay, thank you so much. For B bandit is again 4.5, B band again 4.4. So roughly you can see that some people are asking that I have an offer letter from TCS for C3A grade, which is I think more than IT analyst, associate consultant or assistant consultant. So these people are asking whether we should be joining. So there are a lot of our subscriber actually doing good things. They are giving the real scenario that is present in the company, and that is actually a good thing. They are discussing among themselves. So if you're someone who is having questions, then see there are more replies also on this. Okay, so but let us focus more on this part over here, that is C1 grade A band equal to 7%, B band 4% salary hike, right? C band again 1.1. C band people are suffering a lot, they are getting very less salary hike, right? So some people have not got the compensation letters. And okay, so C3B, right? Higher grades they might not get also. It totally depends on the business performance of that particular business unit, right? So some people are saying that you are half correct. A band is 5.7%. So A plus band is basically depends on the budget and nomination. Okay, so if your manager is nominating you for A plus band and the budget is very high for the project, then definitely they can give you A plus band, which is around 10 to 12%, right? That is also true. The next thing again, people are saying that what they have observed is C band is 1.25%, B band is again 4.5, which is very less. And I know that a lot of people are again saying this 1.2%. It is very low, right? So it is time for you to upskill now. Everyone needs to upskill, right? Either it can be AI skills or data skills or getting some certification done with the help of cloud. Okay, AWS cloud, Google cloud. You have Azure cloud, right? You can go with DevOps activities, right? Deployments, Kubernetes, and a lot of things are there, right? In the IT sector, you can specialize in any particular programming language, CPP or Java, or it can be full front end development, basically, right? So all these things can be done definitely. So there is a set of videos that I'm planning to do on all the comments, because we have been receiving a lot of comments, and to answer each and one comment and writing it down, it takes a lot of time. So I thought, why not create a series of videos where it will be answering all your comments, okay, all your questions, all your queries, and we'll try to answer each of them, right? So Fluidity list is basically one of the crucial aspects that is happening in the IT companies right now. So there are a lot of comments that we have received. I tried to reply to a lot of them, but still it is very difficult to reply to each one of them. So I was thinking of creating this video series. What do you know? What do you think? Please let me know in the comment section whether we should go ahead and create a series like this, wherein we are discussing about the comments and giving the answers or providing the queries. Okay, providing answers to the queries. Do let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this entire video, guys. Hope you all have a great day. And please, 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 if someone is not happy with the compensation letters, there is a provision also which is provided by the company that you can raise a grievance. I mean to say that you can raise a request for upgradation of your band. Okay, that was already done before now, right? So I know a lot of people did that, but it was of no use. A lot of people did not get any upgrade of band. They were stick on the same band that they were having before, right? So I'm going to soon create a video series of what are the things that you should do before you actually fill all those attributes in that portal. Okay, before getting the rating and before getting the bands, what are the things that you should keep in focus? What are the things that you should discuss with your project manager, your supervisor, and the client, so that you can have a better access to of proofs, so that you can show it when the performance and all these things come into picture, right? The salary hike comes into picture in the next year, that is in April or May. Okay, with this, I would like to end our today's video. Thank you for watching this entire video, guys. Hope you all have a great day and a great weekend.